NSS Clap Coach.
Hello guys, hope you all are doing good and are safe wherever you are. So I'll be giving a short introduction about the NSS unit of Wilson College. So the NSS unit of Wilson College has worked in lot of different spheres during this pandemic situation with lot of zeal and enthusiasm. We help create awareness among the citizens on lot of social issues through the medium of organizing beach cleanup drives, webinars, rallies, and also we collaborate with different NGOs. We try to serve the society to the best of our abilities. Aim as a part of this unit is to encourage everyone, help create a world where everyone coexists peacefully.
NSS aims to inculcate social service in students for welfare of the humanity, sharing the services to society without bias, and enhancing the standard of living while leading a life of dignity.
We have many activities organized and we have done, but some of the major activities are blood donation camp at Dadar Churchgate railway stations. Then we have Annadanam, a major activity in which we give groceries and clothes to the needy people. Then we have tree plantation activity at Thakurwadi, which is our adopted village of a college of NSS, where 500 saplings were planted. Then we have educating children activity, which we have done in Airoli, where we will basic things we were taught to the children. Then we have beach cleanups at Dadar, Juhu, and also to Mithi River. So we have many activities organized by our unit.
Ever since I have become a part of NSS, I have learned so many things. I have become more sensitive towards society, and as NSS have organized so many offline activities also, where we had to speak to public and had to convince them about something. I think that has helped me to improve my social communication skills and social interactions, and I'm very proud to be a part of NSS.
NSS. NSS has not only given me the platform to contribute towards our society, it has also given me the opportunity to interact with others and develop myself as an individual.
Ever since I've joined NSS, it has helped me in my public speaking skills and also work on my anxiety, as they have given me opportunities to lead teams and also to organize activities and talk about subjects like the trans community and autism. We have done these collaborations with organizations and NGOs, which helps us to get an overview of how actually things work out in the outside world and how we can contribute our part in the outside world in society.
NSS helps the student to grow individually and also as a group. It makes the student confident, develop leadership skills, and gain knowledge about different people from different walks of life. Students also learn other skills that help them lead a better life in various situations. It teaches you to be disciplined and organized with the objectives you set for yourself and your goals.
Talking about the opportunities provided to NSS volunteers is that it allows us to participate in a lot of things, like for example Republic Day Parade, adventure camps, international youth delegations, etc. NSS program not only supports the national service of the country but also the self-enhancement of the youth.
Do join this wonderful journey and help many people out there by your contributions. Remember one thing, alone we could do little, but together we could do so much. Thank you so much. I hope you all join us. Thank you.